Hello, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Welcome back to the Wrapped in Scraps family. So in this quick little tutorial, I just really wanted to share my nails, okay? So I'm going to show you guys the quick little video of how I got my gel nails done. I'm not going to these places right now. You know, COVID is out there doing too much. The last thing I want is someone messing with my fingers and hands, okay? So I do it myself, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. All right, stay tuned.
Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I'm working with the ASP All Seasons Professional Soak Off Gel Polish Manicure Set. And these are my nails. My nails grow very, very fast. I have to clip them often. As you guys know, I'm a crafter, so I'm always doing things with them. So I don't do my nails as much as I probably should. Now, I'm doing them this beautiful pink. So the first thing you're going to do is put on your 2-in-1 dehydrated cleaning wipe. It's kind of like a nail polish remover. Then you're going to add your bonder to your nails. Now, after you add your bonder, you're going to let that air dry. And you're going to add your base coat to your nails. You're going to be putting your hand in the machine for 30 seconds after you add your base coat. After your base coat is added, then you can add your first top coat of whatever nail polish, gel polish you're going to be using. I like to use 2 coats of the gel polish, and so I had to put my hand in there each time after each coat. Yes, it's a little time consuming, but after you do that, then you can actually do the top coat and put that in there to dry, okay? You will again put your hands back in the UV to let it cure again for another 30 seconds, okay? Then you're going to use that same dehydrator kind of polish stuff to wipe off the stickiness of your nails, and you're all done. So here's where I keep all of my little essentials for my nail kit. I use the little container I got from the dollar store, and it holds all of the stuff that I use to do my nails. As you can see here, the pink on the nails came out really good.
All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that. This is just a quick day's vlog of a whole lot of different things that I'm doing right now. Me, myself, here tonight. I'm just kind of chilling and relaxing, and I thought, the thing is, I don't know when I'm going to go back to the nail salon and start getting my nails done again. I've become quite comfortable doing my nails, but I actually don't like doing my feet. So, and I think what it really is I'm missing the foot massages, you know what I mean? So when things do get better, whenever that's going to be, I will definitely be going in to get a pedicure. But spending $65 for a gel nail that I can do at my home for a fraction of the cost, I may not be doing, unless I'm actually getting fake nails put on, which I rarely do. I think I'll just keep doing the gel nail, because for such a long time I had a problem with being able to wear nail polish because I have oily nail beds. And so the nail polish would probably last a day, if I'm lucky. Even when I would go to the nail salon and have them do it, I thought, well, maybe I'm doing something wrong. So I would have them do it. It would still only last a day or two. I had them do a gel nail just on my nails like I just did, and it lasted 2 days. So I don't know what's in this formula, but it seems to work a lot better than the ones I've used prior to using this one. And again, I got this from Sally's, and I will be leaving all of the information down in the box below. Now, let me see, I can tell you what brand and color I use on my nails. And if it's true to life in the bottle. You know, sometimes when you buy something, I'm going to hold the bottle with the nails I just did. Let me see if I can zoom in. Get that. You see that? So, it's close, but not really. This looks more pastel than what's on my finger. So, this one is called Gelish Soak Off Gel Polish. Who is it by? I think Gelish is who it's by. And the color this is, oh my God, it's so small, it doesn't say. Doesn't say. It's their pinkish color. The number on the bottom is 20B17AX. Okay, so in case you're looking for it and you wanted to pick it up and use it, I think this is the only one that's this pink. So it's the one that looks like almost a paisley pink. It's really, really pretty. Okay, but that's what I did. As you can see, they're like a bright sparkly pink. I think they came out really, really good. I love them. And I do them probably maybe every 2 weeks, kind of like you do when you go to the, you know, pedicure, manicure place. Every 2 weeks, sometimes every week and a half, depending on my mood and what I'm doing. But yes, just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys are interested, you can pick it up at Sally's. Sally's has it. And I'm sure there's plenty of places on Amazon you can get it as well. I will link that down in the description box below. So don't forget that you can do things for yourself. And it also is a great form of self-care. So get to loving you. Get to caring about you. And I say that because I know there's a lot of mothers. So for all the mothers out there who are doing the most and need some serious self-care, this is a great way to get yourself that self-care. Just take a moment, close your door if you can. Paint your nails, sip on you some wine. Yeah. Anywho, I'm going to drink my cup of wine, okay? I wish I could have tasted something that Jesus made. And I'm going to relax and go find myself something to eat, feed these kids, because my self-care time is up. All right, so get some self-care involved. I know things are stressful. Everything's crazy in this world right now. Self-care is a great therapy, okay? So make sure you're getting your self-care. So stay wrapped in scraps. Stay loving you. Stay loving God. Stay loving life, because you're still here and living. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.